Welcome everyone. I'm going to show you what's on my daily driver, the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Now, keep in mind, I spend a lot more time on the iPad than the iPhone. So if you want to see what's on my daily driver, iPad Pro 2018, I'll leave that in the description. So let's go through the applications. So on the first page, everything is basically the same, but I do have YouTube Music, I have the Aruba Bus app, and I have Huawei Highlink because I have a router with a SIM card. I have TubeBuddy and Gmail. To be honest, I only used the Reaver Bus when I went to school, and these three I don't really use that much. YouTube Music I'll use quite a bit because I have a YouTube subscription. So in my dock, I have my four favorite apps. So I use Twitter like 24/7, so that's in the dock. Same with YouTube Studio, YouTube, and Safari. I think that's self-explanatory. So now I have this Apple Lover folder. Now we'll go into here. It's just the Apple applications installed onto your device. Now Geekbench 4, and what I hate is that to upgrade from Geekbench 4 to 5, they actually charge money. So I'm not upgrading. We have one proxy, which I think was removed from the App Store. I'm not sure. I don't use it anymore. BBC Sport, I don't use it anymore. Yeah, it's no longer in the App Store. But these apps right here, these are what I used to create thumbnails. Now, I rarely use them on my phone because I use them on my iPad. But if I'm on the go, like I'm on a train or something, and I need to make a thumbnail, I'll use these applications. eBay, Amazon, I mean, they're self-explanatory. Discord, I mean, I only use this when, I want to get into a call and I want to use my Apple headphones because my iPad Pro uses a USB-C port, so you can't use that. AdGuard Pro is just there because um, I can't actually, I don't know why. Antutu Benchmark is there for like benchmark videos. Apple support is there for when I fix my device. Dashlane, it helps me retrieve all my passwords. I use Dashlane Premium personally. Eclipse is the emulator. I mean, they, I don't want to talk about how bad it is. I'll talk about that in another video. Games. Now, these games, like, there's very small situations where I'll play them, but I have them installed for those situations. And then the other folder, I mean, all these apps, like, I'll rarely use, but they're there just in case I need them, right? Like, eventually I'll use one or the other, so they're just there. A Tor browser. I used to use this quite a bit on my iPhone, but I use it on my iPad now. Skillshare. I used to have a free trial, but oh my god, Skillshare is so bad. Like, the only good course I found was also uploaded on YouTube for free. So I'm not even kidding you as well. Like, I saw the guy's plaque and I was like, hold up, this guy's 100k subs, so he must have a YouTube channel. And then I go and have a look. His paid Skillshare course is also on YouTube for free. So that's fun. Spark, I think that's a Gmail alternative. Haven't used it properly. Call of Duty Mobile. I don't play games. I mean, I don't know that. I think that was for a video that I never uploaded. Storm Pokemon Go, I don't know why they're here. To be honest, Metro Bank, self-explanatory. At Wheeler, that's just a TweetTap store. Of course, it doesn't work. Uncover, that's self-explanatory. Um, we have Fortnite. Same reason as I have Call of Duty Mobile. Snapchat, this is like what I use my phone mainly for, but not that much anymore. The App Valley app. I think this is App Valley Companion. Or it's the website, anyway. WhatsApp, this is what I use to contact XVPN, but they don't contact me anymore since I cracked their service. Spotify, I believe this is Spotify Plus Plus. I need to reinstall that. This is Moviebox Pro. Like, there was this time where I tried to like crack it, but I've kind of like given up. So there you go. PUBG Mobile. Yeah, that's a hack. So that's why it was on my device. Same with Vaultstore Beta. Basically, a bunch of these are hacks, so they aren't installed anymore. Video Star. Um, was this the hacked version? Yeah, this is the hacked version. Um, that's pretty good. App Nana. Self-explanatory, like for automation and all that good stuff. Um, Tutor VIP. I mean, who doesn't have a Tutor VIP? I need to set that up, to be honest. And then Cydia, because I'm jailbroken. Browser for modifying files. Flex for patching, but I don't use Flex anymore on this device because I usually use that on my iPad. Apps Manager for restoring app data. 1111. I was doing a bit of a experiment, but if the application isn't installed from the App Store, the VPN doesn't connect, which is kind of sad. Um, AppCake, just to install IPAs and like change the bundle ID and stuff. iCleaner Pro for the sake of it. Um, Panzerhelp plus plus for Panzerhelp VIP. Uh, Hill Climb 2. I've been experimenting, right? So you can see I've actually got the full VIP here. You can see at the top right. I'm gonna try and make it universal. I'll try my best. Terminal. Sometimes if I want to use Fios on my device, I'll use that. And this page is really nothing important, although I do have IPA store, but this version isn't patched yet fully. So there you go. Just a quick video. I mean, there's nothing special here. I don't have my iOS 6 theme, but that's what's on my daily driver, 11 Pro Max. I will be. Reason why I don't have that many tweaks is because I'm waiting for Dissy to release. I don't install any tweaks that I might, break my device. And then once the Dissy releases, I'll have a ton of tweaks on this. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.